Dr. Daisy and the Curious Cat. In a bright little clinic at the corner of Rainbow Street lived Dr. Daisy, the kindest doctor in town. She always wore a flowery white coat and had a sweet smile that made everyone feel better, even before the medicine. One sunny morning, the clinic door swung open with a loud meow. In walked Mr. Whiskers, a fluffy orange cat wearing tiny sunglasses and a worried expression. He held his paw up dramatically. "Good morning, Mr. Whiskers," said Dr. Daisy. "What seems to be the problem?" Mr. Whiskers meowed sadly and pointed at his paw. Dr. Daisy knelt down gently. Did you hurt your paw?" "Meow," he nodded. "Let's take a look." Dr. Daisy carefully placed Mr. Whiskers on the checkup table. She pressed the little button and boink! Out popped a mini cat-sized pillow for him to rest on. She examined his paw and found a tiny thorn. "Oh dear, did you step on this while exploring?" Mr. Whiskers' eyes widened as if to say, "Yes, but I was chasing a butterfly and it was worth it." Dr. Daisy giggled. "You brave little explorer." She gently removed the thorn and cleaned the paw. Then she placed a bright blue bandage with little fish patterns on it. All done. Mr. Whiskers looked at his bandaged paw, then at Dr. Daisy, and gave her the biggest purr ever. But Dr. Daisy wasn't finished. She opened a drawer and pulled out a fish-flavored treat lollipop. "For my best patient." Mr. Whiskers' eyes sparkled like stars. He snatched the treat, hopped off the table, and strutted toward the door proudly, like a healed hero. Before leaving, he stopped, turned around, and gently nuzzled Dr. Daisy's leg. She smiled. "Come back any time, Mr. Whiskers, but maybe try walking around the thorn bushes next time." "Meow!" He winked. Yes, cats can wink, and trotted away. And that's how Dr. Daisy became the most trusted doctor, not just for people, but for cats.